Top 3, Police Cadet Vince Hamsidi Sapi, Secretary of BILG Campilan Institutional Award.
I am Cadet First Class Sapi Vince Jamsid Sulaiman, pinanganak sa Namitan, Basilan at lumaki sa Zamboanga City. Ako ay ang panganay ng anak ng isang dating OFW na si Haji Jamsid Sapi and Sylvia Sulaiman Sapi. I'm currently the Regimental Information Technology Management Officer of Cadet Corps and will be joining the ranks of the Philippine National Police.
Isa sa mga hindi niya makakalimutang karanasan sa buhay ay nung siya ay nasa high school pa sa Regional Science High School sa Zamboanga City, kung saan pumanaw ang kanyang nanay. Ang kanyang tatay ay isang OFW, kaya nang pumanaw na ang kanyang nanay ay siya nang tumayo bilang ama at ina sa kanyang dalawa pang mga kapatid.
One of the notable events that had actually changed my life was back when I was in high school. So during that time, I lost my mother due to disease. So that time, at that really same time, yung father ko, traveling siya to abroad kasi he had to do his job kasi nga OFW siya. I realized a lot of things, especially being the eldest son of the 3 siblings. So during that time, ako yung nagsilbing head ng family kasi I was with my 2 sisters. Kaya that same day, sabi ko, I have to do something. I have to do something for my family, for myself, na ayokong maranasan ng future family ko.
Kaya naman ang sinipagan niya na ang kanyang pag-aaral upang makapagtapos ng high school. Sinubukan niya rin kumuha ng entrance exam sa PMA CUT, OPCUT at PNPA CUT, kung saan maipasa niya itong lahat. Natapos niya ang first semester sa kursong BS Nursing sa Western Mindanao State University bago pumasok sa Philippine National Police Academy. Personal management, after instilling personal management, life and time management will come along. Ito ang kanyang prinsipyo sa buhay. Dagdag pa rito ang kanyang paniniwala na lahat ng gustong matuto dapat silang lumabas sa kani-kanilang mga comfort zone.
May papayo ko sa mga gustong pumasok ng Philippine National Police Academy. Go outside your comfort zone. Growth, it's outside the comfort zone. Yung mga setbacks, yung mga failures or delays na mape-face natin, don't take it as a problem. Take it as a redirection na there's something for you. There's something better for you. I always believe kasi na things always happen for a better reason. Kaya ka andyan kasi may better plan ng Diyos para sa'yo.
Nagbigay din siya ng isang makabuluhang mensahe para sa kanyang mga kapatid na Muslim.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My sisters and brothers in Islam, I'm here in front of you to set as a testament that regardless of our beliefs, our tribes, our religion, customs and traditions, we can be as one. We can be united as one Filipino people for the betterment of our nation.